Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. We did it! Yes, you and me, we did it. We're at 2 million subscribers, yay! And I am just so happy, and of course, most of all, I am so grateful to you cuties for all your love and support that you've given me, your comments, everything, your feedback. Like I say, I'm just so grateful, because without you guys, without you cuties, I wouldn't be able to do what I love, and I'm just so grateful I'm able to do this every day, share it with you, and hopefully my goal is that I've inspired you and that you're having fun, and I'm making it easy and I'm making you proud of yourself, because you should be proud of yourself. And like I always tell you, art is all about practice, like everything else in life, right? If you want to get good at it, you got to practice. That's just the key, and you have to love it. And so I really hope that throughout the years that I've really helped you with that. And I really appreciate all the comments and feedback that I get, where you tell me that I do. And those are the ones that just make me tear up, because I'm just, I just never realized I could do this. And I'm just so grateful I'm helping so many out there. And it's just art, right? I'm getting all teary-eyed. But anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for 2 million subscribers. And, I can't believe I'm crying. Okay, but anyways, just thank you. And so this is something I've really wanted to do for a long time, because you guys have really requested that you want me to draw one of you as a Draw So Cutie. And so today I'm definitely doing it, and I just kept figuring out how I can do this without getting myself in trouble or getting you in trouble, because I don't want you sending pictures of yourself to me. And I don't want to have any security issues, things like that. So here is my idea. Let's have you comment below if you want me to draw you as a Draw So Cutie. So I'm doing this kind of like as a giveaway, and I'll pick someone in, I don't know, maybe like couple weeks or something. I'll post maybe in a couple weeks. I'll go through everything and post some options on my YouTube community page for you guys to vote. Maybe like 5 that I really love and think will really work for this drawing, and you guys can vote on the one that you want me to draw, and that will be the one. So it'll take maybe like 2 weeks to a month for this to all come to be, but I definitely promise I will get it done. So subscribe if you can. I really appreciate it. I know a lot of you, sometimes you can't subscribe, you're not allowed to, but if you can, please subscribe. I really appreciate if you do, and turn on your notification bell so you know what's going on and what the videos are going to be, when the video is going to come out. So first of all, please subscribe, and then second of all, in the comments below, comment your name, but only your first name. Okay, so your name will be what this Draw So Cute girl's name will be. So you know, you guys are get all excited about voting for the names for my Draw So Cute girl. So this girl will definitely be named your name. Okay, so then, and also second of all, give me information about your hair, like what kind of hair you want me to, on this Draw So Cute girl, and your skin color, so it's easier for me to color, and what does this say? Oh, outfit. Definitely outfit. Because as you know, my Draw So Cute girls are pretty much the same. The face, the eyes, everything's always the same. So the only thing that makes this unique is the hair and the outfit, and maybe, I don't know, freckles or something, right? Something that makes it unique. So that's why I really need you to just give me a brief description. Nothing too lengthy. I don't need an essay. Just short and sweet. How's that, right? Of an outfit that you that makes you you. And the last thing is just a little short little info about you that makes you unique, that you feel makes, that would help me, I guess, to draw this Draw So Cute girl. And when you look at it, you go, that's me. So hopefully you can give me just some information. And like I said, don't make it too long, just because hopefully a lot of you guys want me, you cuties want me to draw you, so there will be thousands of comments, I hope. But really hope this will be a fun little thing for us to do together. And like I said, after maybe about 2 weeks, I will post 5 of the ones that I pick on my YouTube community page for you guys to vote. And then from that one, then I will draw the cutie that is voted on. And so, like I said, I really hope this will be really fun for us to do together. And I really hope that it turns out well. And maybe get me to 3 million subscribers like that, right? So, like I said, thank you so much for watching. And then thank you so much for all your support and your love throughout the years. And I really hope we'll be able to get this done and that it will turn out really well. And I can't wait to see your comments and to have your comments inspire me to come up with the newest Just So Cute girl or boy. So let me know in the comments below. Make sure and subscribe also, please. And that's it. Thank you so much for everything and for 2 million subscribers. I will see you guys later, and I can't wait to see your comments, like I said. Okay, bye.